Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm going to show you how I store my stamps and dies together and how I prepare the insides. So that's an example. Rubber band them. We tuck in the tab both sides so I can access the stamps and the dies. So here's a brand new set that I have. I have some tear and tape. I have the black ink and then just a big block. So first things first, take the tab, tuck it in here, and I label it to where I get it, if it's online exclusives or what catalog, and I put my name on it. And the dies, we have some magnetic, it is for photos, it has a magnetic and a sticky side, but I just use the magnetic part. So for this, I take the stamp set. There's a kind of a thinner side and a thicker side. So first I take off the thinner side and I set it aside. And I'm going to ink up the stamp. Try to do my best to get all the ink on there. And then I try to stick it kind of in the middle. So, about here, I use this just for even pressure. And then while that's sitting, I'll put some tear and tape on here. And you can take it off and do it, but I'm just doing it while it's down here, just to save time. Burnish. Remove the release paper. I usually use my pick your pick tool, so I'll do that. So much easier to grab it. Then this goes over the top. There. And then I come back to this piece. And I guess it doesn't really matter which way it goes. But I'll clean that. So let me get my there. And I'll put this on top. More tear and tape on this side. And that is it. You'll have the words in the right orientation, which is what I love. And you can see physically where your stamps are, if you're missing one, if you're if you still are working on it, that type of thing. So convenient. And I like it open on my desktop just so I can keep track of them. So gentle close. And that's it. Simple pull. This is ready for you to take off and put on your blocks, and then you can see where everything is. This is tucked in, and the stamps and the dies are together. And that is it. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Show me how you like to store your stamp and dies together. Please like, comment, and share this video. I try to give you good tips and full video tutorials on the cards that I make. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.